What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to do unboxing of $300 survival backpack. What's so special about this one? Let's open it up and see what it's all about. As you can see, it's waterproof. Let's open it up, and it's one of those like dry bags. This is what dry bag means. You can have air inside of it, like flotation device, I guess shelter, water, you can store water inside of it, and food, and keep it dry. So a bunch of different stuff. Okay, there is a pack for the water bag, and looks like really nice straps with the chest strap and a waist strap with little pockets on the side. Just like a regular pretty cool backpack, and there is clips for your carabiners to hang something. Of course, let's check this side out. Nothing in here, but you can put something in here as well. But now, first of all, we got our dry bag backpack, which is super cool. I never had before such a high quality dry bag backpack. First of all, that's probably cost a lot of money by itself. Now, look how this thing's set up. So you got right here little clips, you take them apart. So you take out the whole thing, and then you have everything together. As you can see, you don't have to stuff it back. Does it come out? Nope. It's all sewed in together. Water bottle looks like 1400 milliliters or 48 ounces. And there's a branded bottle. Very nice, huge water bottle, that's for sure. Okay, let's start from the corner right here. It says flashlight, light matches, multi-tool. So that way you don't even have to forget where you put it. Looks like it's those rubber bands, carabiner, multi-tool, knife, whoops, nail filer, screwdriver on this side, pliers, just like a regular multi-tool. Very nice. What else we have here? Waterproof matches, stormproof matches. This one is a cheaper side. I like the ones that UCO has, but these ones are pretty good too. And there is a zoomable flashlight, looks like. Very nice, ready to go. Zoom in, zoom out. I like it. So that way it could be like a spotlight or like a very wide angle. And there is a lot of little rubber pieces to where you can put a lot of more different stuff. What a good idea for sure. Okay, there is a flashlight, another one with the radio and self-cranking system, I guess to recharge it. This seems like would charge it pretty good, but I would have to test it. Okay, let's try to turn it on. Flashlight, bright, antenna, small, but hopefully we'll catch something FM. Oh, by the way, there is also, it sounds by solar. You know what? I'm on the metal roof, so probably won't catch anything anyways. But yeah, pretty cool. Flashlight, radio with the solar. And also looks like you can charge your cell phone, so it's like a mini power bank as well. That is really cool. I like that radio a lot. And also obviously you could probably charge it by the wire, this little radio as well. Okay, what else we got here? There's a charger wires. First aid. This right here, antibacterial wet wipes. I love this stuff a lot. This is very nice. First time I see it in a survival kit. Sunscreen lotion, very important. And there's another package of some sort. Let's open it up. You know what? I think this is gonna be all the little stuff in here, like bandages and all that. Yep. There's a bunch of bandages and all that. What is this? Oh wow, this is a really different bandage as well, and there's a different ways you can use it. Super cool. There's tweezers, scissors, bunch of, what do you call it, safety pins and tape. Or instrument kit, never mind. That's awesome. Gloves, more bandages, and bunch of ointments and stuff. burn gel. Very cool. I like that survival kit a lot. Okay, then we says water, tent, blanket, hat, gloves, head warmer. Okay, let's open this up. This is a lot of stuff. Okay, this is one of those super cheap blankets. Oh wow, check this out. Like a beanie or something. And you know what? I do like gloves like that. H2O chilling grill. Seems to be pretty high quality. I like it. Hand warmer, heat. And this side here is a survival tent out of that survival material. It's not very durable, but it's lightweight. It's not big fan of that stuff. It's cool, but it falls apart very, very easily. But anyways, let's see what else we got here. Skull too. This, I can see a zipper. Nothing in here, so you can put something in there as well. And this is tools. Let's see what we got in tools. Obviously I see power cord, very nice. Squeeze water filtration system. This is the back of it. What else? A knife. This is a pretty cheap, simple knife. I seen those all the time with the fire striker. It's decent. I think they go for 12 bucks in what do you call it, Amazon. All that stuff, I would say pretty decent quality. This is little shovel, folding shower. I actually have a few of them. This is a really tiny one. I love that stuff. You screw it up, then you have a really nice shovel. You can dig, and you see everything tied up. Once you unspin it, you can have a pick on this side, or you can use this as a digging tool like that. Whatever different direction. This shovels is like military shovel. I don't think this is actual military shovel right here, more like a reproduction. But military uses shovels like that as well. Folds up, and a really, really tiny shovel piece. Boom. Love that tool a lot. Okay, this is Air and Vision. Oh wow, this is probably the most expensive safety glasses I ever seen. I mean, they look like high quality with the rubber on top of it. Almost looks like those snowboarding goggles, but it is a lot cheaper ones. Very nice. What is this? Emergency filtration mask. How cool is that? I never seen a survival backpack, a mask like that. That's a really interesting product. And a couple of glow sticks. Very nice. Green, both of them green. I guess to make signal. Water filter. Right here on the blue. So this right here, water filtration system, it will look like that. And there's a bigger bag they provided as well. That's it. Nice. And right here is food. I like it. The coolest part about this survival backpack is number one. This is dry bag, but high quality, and it's have a really nice handles as a backpack. And on top of it, I love this system to keep all your food and storage in, so that way everything neat and sits really comfortably. And it's one of those high calorie bars. They don't taste that good, just sweet, taste like cookies, really different type of cookies I would say, but this is very popular survival food. It's not to just feast on it, but it will give you a lot of calories, that's for sure. Oh wow, I missed the duct tape too, look at that roll. Flat duct tape, so that way it doesn't take up too much space. I like it. What do you guys think about that beanie? You know what guys, definitely one of a kind survival kit. The items is pretty high quality, so it's probably definitely worth it. It is definitely on the expensive side of survival backpack, but all the items are high quality. I couldn't complain like it was cheaply made. And they even spend money and put their own logo and stuff. So definitely a thumbs up for me for this survival kit. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.